Today I'm wearing a very beautiful dress. So this is a lovely green dress. I enjoy filming with dresses. So I'm going to share with you several outfits in this video. I am a beauty IT consultant, as you all already know. I also enjoy creating chit chat videos with you guys. I also like to tell short stories. So on my website ikinepatience.com/short stories, I wrote down some. Hey guys, I'm wearing this lovely Ted Baker dress. This is the fitting. It's very lovely. So I'm going to sing the theme song for today. Enjoy. I met a nice African lady. She said to me, you should be happy. She said to me, you should be kind. She said, speak words of kindness to yourself. Very feminine. This is the fitting of the dress. Very flare, very beautiful dancing. You guys know the song? Very beautiful. Check it out. Check it out. Check me out. I look beautiful. I look great. I look good. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my lovely outfits and also makeup tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm wearing this lovely hot suit. It's very beautiful and feminine. So you guys have seen me wear this dress in my previous video. I thought I'd share with you the fitting of this dress again. It's a very pretty dress. I'm going to share with you how it looks outside. Guys, I'm wearing a lovely brown dress now. So this is a brown color with teeny tiny spaghetti hand. So this is the fitting. So I decided to style it with the leggings. So this is a closer look at this dress. Very pretty. So I styled it with a nice brown leggings. So guys, I'm going to coach you guys about basic Dutch and English lessons. So this is highly requested, so I'm going to say some words in Dutch and English language. So if you want to say hello in Dutch, you say hallo. If you want to say how are you, you say how are you. If you want to say goodbye, you say dag. If you want to say good morning in Dutch language, you say goeiemorgen. If you want to say good afternoon, you say goeiemiddag. If you want to say have you eaten, heb je gegeten. If you want to say I'm a lady, you say ik ben een vrouw. If you want to say I'm a man, ik ben een man. If you want to say You have a beautiful eyes. Je hebt mooie ogen. You have a beautiful eyes. You have a mooie ogen. If you want to say you have a nice body, you have a mooie huid. You have a nice body. You have a mooie huid. Or you have a mooie lichaam. So I offer basic Dutch and English language lessons. So it's very important to speak Dutch language if you live in the Netherlands. So Dutch language is different from the German language. So the German speaks Duits. In the Netherlands they speak Dutch. So the Netherlands is very beautiful, and there are so many beautiful cities in the Netherlands. So you have cities such as Amsterdam, you have Rotterdam, you have Breda, you have Middelburg. So this is the fitting of this dress, a very beautiful fitted dress, super lovely, very comfortable as well. You can dance, you can go for dinner dates with such beautiful outfits. You can stay indoors. I like to create YouTube videos for you guys, to entertain you, and you all love it whenever I wear dresses. So I thought I'd share with you my lovely outfit. So if you like this outfit, please give me feedback. What do you think about it? Which color do you like? Do you like the green one? Do you like the black one, the catsuit more? Do you like this brown one? Which one do you prefer? I like the dresses. I like all the colors. I love colorful dresses, and I enjoy wearing dresses whenever I'm creating videos for you guys. And also I love to wear leggings as well. So it's very important to wear dresses as a lady. This is the fitting. It has the spaghetti hands here. It's very feminine, very lovely, easy to maintain, and it's very durable. I have these dresses for more than 2 years now. They're very easy to maintain, so I highly recommend you shop from this brand. So you find links. So I always share the link of these dresses whenever I film Femloose. So Femloose clothing offers very beautiful outfits. I love my two current favorite pencils. So this one looks sharpening, so I'll just apply like this on my brows like this. Guys, so I'm going to apply pencil on my face. So I'll just apply it as well here. Just look like airbrush brow. Oh, it's very pretty afterwards. Just be applying like this, so to look airbrushed. See it? Not smudge, it's just fainting, very faint touch. Pencil on your face. It's more than enough. So later I'll now use foundation and make sure it looks foundation. I'm applying it. Guys, I've got my Meredith palette here. This is my eyeshadow palette from the brand Meredith. So I'm going to use the nude and the yellowish color. I'm just going to apply it. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the pinkish one. It's so pretty. it's nice place with my night show. Happy? Yes, I'm going to apply the golden shade. Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit of this tint brush with bro, the price on point. See that? See my brows. So next I'm going to apply shadow. Wow, some points, guys. So guys, I'm going to make sure my brow looks perfect. So I'm going to take this quantity of classic foundation. So I'll just rub it on this brush. And I'll now just rub it on the face. See that? I'll also rub it on the upper side. You see how pretty it is? Later, I'll not use this brush on the brush. I'll start brushing it on first. So whenever I want to blend up the foundation off to look good, I'll not smudge it. So I'll do the same. So this brush looking very tidy. I'll do the same here. So I'll just so I'll just do the upper side. Look, looks good. I'll now blend it out. I've got my clean brush. So I'm going to use it to apply the golden shade. I'm just going to close my eyes. Looks pretty. Can tell the difference, right? So pretty. Looks absolutely great. Wow, looks amazing. I'm just going to put some here. Whoa! Oh my goodness, looks so good. Just going to put some here. Whoa, it's amazing. Wow, look pretty. And look amazing. So I'm so excited, guys. So next I'm going to apply a little bit of the golden shade here. So oh my goodness, look at that. It's amazing. It's great. It's absolutely good. So I'm going to do the same to the eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks good. Oh my goodness, this palette is the bomb. The Morphe Mary, the Gooseberry is the bomb. It's the bomb. Guys, you can tell I've applied eyeshadow. So I'm going to make my eyebrow look a little bit light. It's a bit small. Just apply black paint here. I'm just going to apply this area here. A little bit here and there. So here. And it's better now. It's looking a little bit smudged. Just apply this here. So that's good. I like it concealer is concealer before making sure that the product is good. So this eyeshadow here just to make it look more expensive. That looks perfect. Just the same. So you guys know I'm a makeup artist. So I've applied a little bit of lipstick on my lip. I'm going to apply my lip too. I like a concealer is a good one. So afterwards I'm going to bring my powder. Find my hair like this one. I've applied a little bit of the red lip gloss from here. I'm just going to apply this nude shade on top of it. I'm going to make sure my brow looks better. I think the black shade is a bit short. What do you guys think? It's a bit short, yo. Guys, now I'm wearing this lovely black dress. It's very pretty and feminine. So you can decide to style it up with a nice tapered dress like this. It's a very pretty tapered dress. So just put it on. This. So Ted Baker is a great brand, so you can shop for Ted Baker online. Please go to my website blackma.me/TedBaker and myfabulousbeauties.com/TedBaker to find out more. So it's a perfect dress for going out on a date. This looks beautiful. You guys like it? I'm sure you do. I love it. So this is more of this lovely dress and those. It's absolutely great.